Expedited overnight shipping connects you with your customers across the U.S., but it also gives you options, so you get control and flexibility with every shipment. Like when during the day your package is delivered, FedEx offers 3 next-day delivery services. A later delivery time typically means a lower cost. Need to get it there on the weekend? Saturday delivery is available in some areas for an additional charge. Or you can have your package held at a convenient FedEx location for no additional charge. Packaging? FedEx has 12 different sizes or shapes you can choose from. Or you can use your own. If you need help packing, head to your nearest FedEx office and one of our experts will pack it for a fee. And there's many ways to get your package to FedEx at both manned and unmanned locations, such as FedEx Office, drop boxes, or any of our convenient drop-off and pickup locations. Go to FedEx.com, enter your zip code, and find the best option for you, along with the last possible drop-off time for that day. Or, if you have an account, you can schedule a pickup depending on time and location. Don't have a FedEx account? Don't worry. You can create one for free. And the best part is that account holders can receive discounts off list shipping rates. You can learn more about FedEx overnight shipping at fedex.com/overnight.